Well, good morning, friends and family. Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to the store right now. I need to get some supplies because we are going camping. We are going to Little Farm on the River in Lawrenceburg, Indiana for a Halloween themed weekend. So I need to get some food. I also need to get some candy because they do a trick-or-treating inside the campground for all the kids. So should be a really fun weekend. Like I said, I got to make a couple of stops. Stick around. Well, y'all, this just took a turn for the not very fun. Almost out to the house now to pick up the camper, and we got rain. So I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna try to wait it out. It looks like it should be done around 12-ish. So it's 11 o'clock now. So I'm gonna hang out for a little bit. Hopefully the rain dies down a little bit. I'll be able to get hooked up without getting completely and utterly soaked. So yeah, here we go. All right, everybody, I just got to pull the electricity and I am good to go. Woo. All right, everybody, so the camper is hooked up and we are on our way. GPS is saying it's going to take me about an hour to get there. Probably going to be closer to an hour and a half since I won't really be, I don't like to drive more than 65 miles per hour. So roughly an hour and a half, I will be there, but should be a good weekend. I got a bunch of decorations for the campers, so good times. Hopefully the rain holds off until I get there and get set up. We'll see. Well, y'all, it wouldn't be a camping trip without sitting in traffic, so here we go. Man, I hope they finish that bridge on I-75 soon, because this is starting to get a little ridiculous through here. Oh well, it's a nice little break either way. Well, y'all, I have made it. We have the camper all parked and hooked up. However, we have some less than ideal weather coming in, so I haven't been able to get everything set up. So I'll check back in with you tomorrow morning. We'll show you how we have everything set up out here. Nice place, though. I like it here. So I hadn't planned on filming anything tonight, but I figured I needed to share this with everybody.
Someone domesticated them.
This goes against everything I stand for. All right, y'all, it's time to make breakfast. First day here. All right, everybody, well, here it is, all decorated up. I hope you enjoy. Is it yummy? Let me see your cup.
Just tell me I'm sucking and I wasn't doing everything.
Good morning. So we are getting ready to leave here. So I am getting ready to dump my tanks here. So enjoy. All right, everybody. Well, we got everything hooked up and we're pulled out. We had some issues. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video or not, but we have some pretty massive water leaks inside of our camper right now. I thought it was just due to the bad weather we had, but I don't think it is. A little worried we might have blown a line, but we'll have to see once we actually get into it. But I don't know. That being said, it was still a fun weekend. Hopefully this won't put too much of a damper on everything, but I'm on my way back to the house now. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Well, everybody, our camping trip has come to an end. Obviously I'm back at home now. I'm getting ready to unload the truck, but I want to thank everybody so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You have an absolutely wonderful rest of your day. If you're getting ready to go to bed, you have a good night's sleep. I'll see you on the next one.